Would you like to up your game with knitting and learn how to do cable knitting? It looks really intricate and difficult to do, but it's actually really simple, and I'd love to show you how. Cabling is used to create twists and turns in the design of your knitted work. And I thought I would give you a couple of examples just to show what cabling is, and then I'll show you how you can create this also. Another example where the cabling has created these twists and turns in the knitted work. To do cabling, you'll need your piece of knitting. I'm doing this on some double pins, but it's also easier to do it with a cable needle. I've got a couple of examples here. There's one with a bend in it, or you can also get a straight one. I've tried using the bent one. I prefer the straight one, but maybe you might find the bent one is more suitable for you. As you've seen on the couple of examples I showed you earlier, generally the face of the main body of the work is reverse stocking stitch. So on the other side it's the nice smooth side, and on this side it's the bobbly side, because these straighter bits here, I'm now going to show you how to cable those. So first of all, I'm just going to purl up until I get to these knit stitches. I've reached the knit stitches. On your pattern it will say to cable to the front or to the back. On this example I'm going to show you cabling to the front. So to do that, on my cable needle I'll move 2 stitches to the front of the work, hold them there, while I then go to the next 2 stitches along and knit those. And then what we do is, these ones on the front, a bit wibbly wobbly, I'll bring them to the front and knit those 2 stitches. So that's one cable now completed, and you can see that the stitches on the right have gone over to the left, and the ones on the left, they've gone underneath to the right. There is a twist in there. I'll work along to the next bit for you. So back to the knit stitches. Now I'm going to do cabling to the back. So move the next 2 stitches to the back, hold them on the cable needle, knit the next 2 stitches. Then these that are on the cable needle, we'll then knit those. Whoops, it's rolling around everywhere. So you can see 2 twists. Just finish this row. So cabling is a little bit fiddly, but it's not difficult. So we can see there it's twisting to the centre, and this one's twisting to the centre. I'll do a few more rows and then we'll be able to see that a bit easier. Then when you get to the cabled section, it was just 4 purl stitches, so we'll do exactly the same as before. These centre ones will feel a little bit tighter just because of the twist there, but work them as you would as normal stitches. These are the stitches in between the 2 cable rows, and there's the cable stitches, and we shall just purl those like so. There we go, there's a twist at the back, a twist at the front. I've knitted a few more rows just to show you that twist there, so we can see where it's twisting, and we can work another couple of cables on this row now. So I've done my purl stitches up until I get to the cabling stitches, and I would like to do a front cable again. So I'll move 1, 2. I've got 2 stitches left there to work. So holding, just keeping the needle in the front here. Work those 2 stitches. And then knit the 2 stitches on the cable needle. And that's that cable done. I'll just purl across to the next side. And these cables will do a back facing cable again. So we'll take 2 of the stitches onto the cable needle, knit the next 2 stitches, and then work the stitches on the cable needle like so. And then I'll purl to the end. So now we can see these stitches have twisted again on both sides. In the back you can see where that first twist was, and here's the twist of the ones just worked there. That's how to do cabling.